What do you mean by abacus?
The abacus is one of the earliest calculating devices used by humans. It consists of a wooden or metal frame with rods and sliding beads. Each bead represents a numerical value. The abacus was used in ancient civilizations such as China and Mesopotamia to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It helped people make calculations quickly and accurately before the invention of modern machines.
Write a short note on an early IT inventor.
Charles Babbage is considered the father of the computer because of his important contributions to computing. He designed the difference engine to perform mathematical calculations automatically. Later, he proposed the analytical engine, which had features like memory, input, output, and processing unit. Although it was not completed during his lifetime, his ideas formed the basis of modern computers.
What do you mean by UNIVAC 1?
UNIVAC 1, Universal Automatic Computer 1, was the world's first commercial electronic digital computer. It was developed in 1951 by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly. UNIVAC 1 was mainly used by government and business organizations to process large amounts of data. It used vacuum tubes for processing and magnetic tape for data storage, marking the beginning of computer use in offices.
Write a brief note on computer generations.
Computers are classified into 5 generations based on technological development. The first generation used vacuum tubes, while the second generation used transistors. The third generation introduced integrated circuits, ICs. The fourth generation uses microprocessors, leading to personal computers. The fifth generation focuses on artificial intelligence, robotics, and advanced technologies, making computers faster, smaller, and more powerful.
Differentiate between microcomputer and mainframe computer.
A microcomputer is a small, low-cost computer designed for a single user. It is commonly used in homes, schools, and offices for basic tasks. In contrast, a mainframe computer is very large and powerful, capable of handling data for hundreds or thousands of users at the same time. Mainframe computers are expensive and mainly used in banks, railways, and large organizations.